Hi and welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your site from a previous backup using Backup Buddy. So I've just installed WooCommerce and some other plugins, and I got all these different pages, and if you let's say I delete WooCommerce, deactivate, delete. Okay, it's actually removed the pages that it made, but usually plugins don't do that. So I have another plugin here, this one here. So let's just remove it and see what happens. And it's left its pages, and see, if we click here it leaves the shortcode behind, which is a really bad way of doing it for a plugin builder. So what we want to do now is go to a previous backup. So we go here and we see we have two backups here from an hour ago. So what we want to do is go back to one of them. So we're going to go to restore. I haven't tried this very many times, but I want to see how it works. So what we want to do is we want to go back to that. So browse and restore, database, rollback. So we can roll back just the database and it will keep our files, or we can roll back the files as well. So I'm just going to select everything. Okay, we haven't made any changes to we haven't updated WordPress, but just looking here. So we're going to try and restore WP content. Alright, it's not going to let us do it. We have to delete the files first. So let's just go in and manually mess something up. Okay, this is the actual, this is what we have in the backup. This is our backup. So if we wanted to bring certain files in from our backup, then we could, but we want to just restore back to how things were before. So we're just going to click database rollback, and this will take us back. Let's see, advanced, yeah. So now we can check how our site looks, and this is actually the old theme, and also we should have the old, just log in here, and the old pages. I'll just check the plugins. It may have kept our plugins. I'm just going to have a look. So it's kept our plugins so we don't lose them. That's okay. Great. That's how simple it is to roll back, and we keep any new plugins, any plugins that we installed. So so it's that simple. So if you ever have any problems, you just go here and you do a database rollback. It's also possible to migrate your site, and we'll look at that later. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. You can make a note for this. So now it has a note there, and you can download that backup, you can send it elsewhere, and of course you can go in, no, not here, but you can go into the backup and check any files. So for example, let's say that I had an older version of Backup Buddy in here, then I could delete my current plugin called Backup Buddy and go in here and install a new one. It wouldn't work because we're using Backup Buddy, but if it was another plugin. And that's it. It's possible to see the code in it just to make sure that it's right, which is a really good thing. If this is mainly made for developers, so they can come in and just check to make sure that they, if this code here was different than their new one. Alright, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.